Hey everyone, it's Casey. Today we're about to embark on a visual journey to a place that's been calling my name for years, Albania. This isn't your typical tourist trap. This is a country brimming with raw beauty, rich history, and experiences you won't find anywhere else. We're talking turquoise waters that rival the Greek islands, without the crowds. We're talking ancient ruins whispering stories of empires long gone. We're talking vibrant cities pulsing with life and a welcoming energy that's contagious. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down everything you need to know to experience the best of Albania in just 72 hours. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride.
Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, Albania has often been overlooked, overshadowed by its more famous neighbors. But trust me, this place is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. For centuries, Albania was shrouded in mystery, hidden behind a curtain of communism. But now it's emerging as a vibrant destination, eager to share its beauty with the world. Think dramatic mountain ranges that plunge into crystal-clear waters. Think ancient ruins that transport you back to Roman and Ottoman times. Think a culture so rich and diverse, it'll leave you wanting more. Albania is a country of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet modern aspirations. It's a place where you can wander through bustling markets, hike to secluded waterfalls, and soak up the sun on pristine beaches, all in a single day. But the real magic of Albania lies in its people. Known for their warmth and hospitality, Albanians will welcome you with open arms, eager to share their culture and stories. So if you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path adventure, a place that will surprise and inspire you, Albania is calling your name.
Now let's talk timing. When's the best time to pack your bags and hop on a plane to Albania? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you're all about that sunshine and beach life, then summer is your jam. From June to August, the Albanian Riviera is where it's at. Think scorching temperatures, perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and soaking up those Mediterranean vibes. But if you're like me, always chasing the adventure, then spring or fall might be the sweet spot. The weather is still mild, perfect for exploring ancient ruins, hiking scenic trails, and immersing yourself in the local culture without breaking a sweat. Plus, during the shoulder seasons, you'll avoid the summer crowds and score some sweet deals on flights and accommodation. Win-win! Just remember, no matter when you decide to go, pack for all types of weather. Albania can be unpredictable, throwing a little rain your way even in the heart of summer. All right, let's talk transportation. Getting around Albania is an adventure in itself, but don't worry, I've got you covered. If you're up for an authentic experience, hopping on a local bus is the way to go. It's cheap, cheerful, and you'll get to rub shoulders with the locals. Just be prepared for some interesting driving and a bit of a language barrier. For those who value their personal space, renting a car gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace. Just be warned, the roads in Albania can be a bit hairy, with winding mountain passes and some, shall we say, creative drivers. If you're short on time or just want a stress-free journey, there are also plenty of private transfers and taxis available. They'll cost you a bit more, but hey, sometimes you gotta treat yourself. And for the adrenaline junkies out there, why not rent a scooter and zip along the coast? Just make sure you've got your wits about you and a good helmet.
Now let's talk about the good stuff. The places that'll make your Albanian adventure unforgettable. First up, Tirana, the vibrant capital city. This city is a melting pot of cultures, where Ottoman-era mosques stand side by side with communist-era architecture. Get lost in the colorful streets of Bloku, once a forbidden zone for all but the communist elite, now a trendy district packed with cafes, bars, and boutiques. Next, head south to Berat, the city of 1,000 windows. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a photographer's dream, with its white Ottoman houses cascading down the hillside. For a taste of the Albanian Riviera, you can't miss Saranda. This bustling coastal town is your gateway to pristine beaches, hidden coves, and the ancient ruins of Butrint, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. And if you're looking for something truly off the beaten path, venture into the Albanian Alps. The village of Theth, nestled in a valley surrounded by towering peaks, will take your breath away.
Now let's dive into the experiences that will make your Albanian adventure truly unforgettable. Forget the tourist traps, we're going off the beaten path. First up, a ride on the Albanian Riviera. Rent a boat, grab some local snacks, and spend the day exploring hidden coves and swimming in crystal clear waters. Trust me, it's pure magic. Next, lace up your hiking boots and conquer Mount Dajti, towering over Tirana. The views from the top are simply breathtaking, offering a panoramic vista of the city and the surrounding mountains. For a taste of Albanian history, a visit to the Bunkart Museum is a must. This underground bunker, built during the communist era, offers a chilling glimpse into Albania's past. And no trip to Albania is complete without experiencing the local hospitality. Head to a traditional restaurant, order a plate of tave kosi, baked lamb with yogurt, and let the flavors transport you to another world.
All right, let's talk food. Albanian cuisine is a delicious fusion of Mediterranean and Balkan flavors, with fresh ingredients and hearty dishes that will tantalize your taste buds. Start your day the Albanian way with bajrek, a savory pastry filled with cheese, spinach, or meat. It's the perfect fuel for a day of exploring. For lunch, head to a local restaurant and try tave kosi, a traditional dish of baked lamb with yogurt and rice. It's creamy, flavorful, and oh so satisfying. In the evening, indulge in a seafood feast on the coast. Freshly caught fish grilled to perfection and seasoned with lemon and herbs is a must-try. And don't forget to wash it all down with Rocky, the local grape brandy. It's strong stuff, but hey, when in Albania. But the real culinary adventure lies in exploring the local markets. From fresh produce to homemade cheeses and cured meats, you'll find a treasure trove of flavors waiting to be discovered.
After a long day of exploring, you'll need a comfortable place to rest your head. Luckily, Albania offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget and travel style. If you're looking for a unique and authentic experience, consider staying in a traditional guest house. You'll be welcomed with open arms by local families who will treat you like one of their own. For those who prefer a bit more comfort and convenience, there are plenty of hotels and apartments available, from budget-friendly options to luxurious retreats. And if you're all about that beach life, you'll find a wide range of beachfront hotels and resorts along the Albanian Riviera, many with stunning views of the Adriatic Sea. No matter where you choose to stay, be sure to book in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season.
Now, let's talk about the heart and soul of Albania, its people and their culture. One thing you'll notice right away is the importance of hospitality. In Albanian culture, guests are considered a blessing, and you'll be welcomed with open arms wherever you go. Don't be surprised if you're invited to share a meal, a drink, or even a song with the locals. Another thing that makes Albanian culture so special is its rich history and traditions. From the ancient Illyrian tribes to the Roman Empire, the Ottoman Empire, and the Communist era, Albania has been shaped by a fascinating and often turbulent past. But through it all, the Albanian people have maintained their strong sense of identity and their love for their country. So, embrace the local culture, learn a few Albanian phrases, and immerse yourself in the warmth and hospitality of this incredible nation.
All right, let's talk safety. Like any destination, it's important to be aware of your surroundings and take precautions to ensure a safe and enjoyable trip. Overall, Albania is a safe country for travelers. The crime rate is relatively low, and the locals are generally friendly and welcoming. However, it's always a good idea to be mindful of your belongings, especially in crowded areas like markets and tourist attractions. When it comes to transportation, be cautious when using taxis, especially at night. It's best to pre-book a reputable company or ask your hotel to call one for you. And as with any adventure, it's always a good idea to let someone know your itinerary and check in regularly. But most importantly, don't let safety concerns prevent you from experiencing all that Albania has to offer.
All right, let's talk packing. When it comes to packing for a 3-day trip to Albania, less is definitely more. Remember, you're going to be doing a lot of exploring, so pack light and leave room for souvenirs. First things first, comfortable shoes are a must. You'll be doing a lot of walking, hiking, and exploring, so make sure your feet are happy. Next, pack for all types of weather. Albania can be unpredictable, so bring layers, a rain jacket, and a hat for those sunny days. Don't forget your swimsuit and a quick drying towel for those dips in the Adriatic Sea. And of course, no trip to Albania is complete without a camera to capture all those Instagram-worthy moments. But most importantly, pack your sense of adventure and get ready to experience the beauty and wonder of Albania.
So there you have it, your ultimate guide to experiencing the best of Albania in just 3 unforgettable days. From the vibrant capital of Tirana to the stunning beaches of the Albanian Riviera, this hidden gem has something for everyone. Remember to embrace the local culture, savor the delicious cuisine, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel hacks and adventures. See you in the next video.